Sleeves here, out for a day hike today. Good winter hike. I believe the temperature is around 21 degrees when we started. Should be in the 20s or 30s most of the day. So it's going to be a fun hike. And we are at the Hickory Creek Trailhead in the Cohutta Wilderness and on the Hickory Creek Trail at this point. And we're going to connect up with the Conasauga River Trail and take it down to the Panther Creek Trail and head up to Panther Creek Falls. That'll be about a 6.5 mile one way. So about 13, somewhere around 13 or so miles total. I know we'll have a great day. I'm with a good friend of mine from church, and he's out kind of training for a mission trip to Nepal. And I know that's going to be a wonderful thing for him and a good experience. So come on in and meet Daniel. Hey man.
How's it going?
Glad you're with me today. Hey, we're going to have a good hike, and I know we'll enjoy it, and we're going to show you some more of our hike. So I hope you stick with me. We have made it to the beaver pond. Pretty neat ice crystals on the pond today. It's not totally frozen, but definitely beautiful today. Wow, it's got a lot of frost heave. Pretty neat stuff. Check this out. Check out this large piece of quartz. Neat. So this is my shoe change for the river crossing. I always keep my shoes dry, and remove my socks, my wool socks, and my liner, and then I'll put on these Merrell barefoot shoe. I think the newer version is called glove. This is Merrell barefoot. They only weigh like 6 ounces, so they're very light. So these are the shoes I use to cross the river with. I used to try to cross barefooted, but I started hurting my toes, so I gave that up rather quickly. Daniel and I are about to head across the Conasauga River to the Panther Creek Trail, and the best way to do a cold weather crossing is just do it. It is cold. I think the temperature right now, it might be in the low 30s, but it's still very cold, and the best way to do it is just get in it and walk. You're going to freeze no matter what. What do you think about that? Is that cold or what? That's some cold water. Well, my take on this is that if you do not have the ability to warm up after a crossing like that, you don't need to do it. Hypothermia is no joke, and it doesn't take long to be in trouble. So always be safe. Good stuff. Thanks to the forest fires and a major storm that came through the area, there's trees everywhere. It almost looks like a bomb exploded. Daniel and I are wrapping up our hike in the Cohutta Wilderness. Man, we had a great time on the Hickory Creek Trail, the Conasauga River Trail, and the Panther Creek Trail, all the way up to Panther Creek Falls. Man, it's a great time. I think we were going to have about 13 miles. So what'd you think about it?
Had a great time. It was very beautiful, and I'd love to do it again.
Yes, that's right. We recommend the trail, so you need to do it. You need to experience the Cohutta Wilderness and all of God's creation. It's an amazing place. So this is Sleeves. Keep hiking.